I know.
You're not working today?
I'm not.
He's not working?
Truth is, she just wants rid of me. Morning!
Good morning, guys. And welcome back to our channel, Gotta Go Orlando.
So today we're going to Glastonbury.
No, rewind.
Where are we going, Emma? Where are we going? We're going to the fun fair in Blackpool today.
We're dressed, well, I'm dressed like I'm going to a festival, but that's just because I've got my muddy boots on, because we've been warned that it's going to be a lot of rain and puddles up there. So.
Yeah, apparently they've put some wooden boards down for the people not to sink into the ground, so that's good.
We've got our winter boots on. Hopefully
they've got the wild mouse built, because last time we did check,
yes,
it was still in construction.
Yes. You're knowing stuff before we've even seen it and before you even know what's there.
Well, we went down the other night to have a nosy, didn't we?
So guys, we're now walking over. It's a little bit windy, a little bit wet.
Just a little bit.
It's a little bit wet. But for the Wednesday, I thought I would explain about the $7.99 bands. So there's 2 time slots, so you've got between 12:30 and 4 o'clock. And then you've got 4:30 until 8 o'clock. And obviously unlimited riding. During the week it is 1 o'clock until 8 o'clock. And like I said before, it's 25 tokens for £20. So guys, we're across the road now.
The big road.
The big road. Just to let you know, I would just keep an eye on their Facebook. It seems like they've only got a Facebook, I was looking. But like yesterday they actually closed all day due to it being bad weather. So before you make a plan to come here, just double check, because they do post every morning, to see what time they're opening and stuff. So just double check their Facebook, and it's Carousel Funfairs, what the name is.
There you go. Keep updated.
And here's the first puddle. Oh look, oh it's squidgy. Excited?
I don't know where the social distancing stickers are.
Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Bring your mask on so people can see your excitement. Yay! We love this.
See my teeth.
We love this fair when it comes. Yeah. And this year looks like it's got the most things, but guess what guys? I do not see the wild mouse ready.
I don't think it's ready.
Oh no!
I think it's going to be ready, it's going to be next week, which is a shame because it's only for 1 week then. Hopefully
maybe we can come back next Wednesday at night time, maybe even.
Yeah, we'll try and do a night time vlog.
Hopefully the weather's okay and it is actually open. Because the weather's not looking too good for next week either, but hopefully. But guys, as you can see, we are here, so let's go.
So you can see them working on it at the moment. So we've made it in, we've got our bands. So they say that they're not taking cash, but we did notice that they are taking cash, so you can bring cash or card is preferable.
Yeah. And it was $7.99 and that's it.
Yeah, I think that's because the wild mouse is not working at the moment, but I think once that's up and running, I think there will be the additional.
I don't like it.
I'm here in the morning.
Oh god, I don't like it. Look at the flooding, guys.
That was I think we hit 14 now.
We're going down again. Whee!
Oh, here's a big drop.
Oh my god. Woo! So it's still getting refurbished. And they've got some new features still to go in.
It's been all repainted, and I definitely like the front feature at the top.
Right there.
That's awesome.
But it's actually quite a good drive now.
Yeah, it still needs work, but you can see it's going in the right direction. They've got them like really cool picture frames and stuff what move, so...
We're definitely back to the corner again.
Yeah, definitely. So let's go on to the next ride. get the momentum going. Here we are.
Oh my god, that was so much fun. It was weird, it took that push, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I loved it.
Now we know what type of rides Emma likes.
That was so much fun. That was, because I was saying earlier, obviously I used to go on one that was designed exactly in Old Town in Orlando. Oh my god, that was so much better. But you know what? See, if I was a kid though and going on that, no wonder I was petrified of roller coasters only till a few years ago. Because that, it does throw you a bit.
Yeah, I had to like push you on icon, didn't I? It's like, icon.
I love roller, I've been in every single roller coaster at Alton Towers.
So guys, if you're enjoying this channel, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest vlogs that are coming up soon. Stick around for some more rides today and enjoy. So we've just come off Twister twice.
I love that ride!
It's a classic, but I love it to bits.
So, next it's Star Flyer! Woo! Let's go really high!
So you enjoying yourself?
Really? Actually, I'm enjoying it right now. Oh, you can see the towers!
Woo!
Look, you can see the tower. Yeah, look, you can see the Pleasure Beach.
We're home, guys. Oh,
it was such an amazing day.
I had an amazing time as well. It was really, really good, but I feel battered and bruised now.
Yeah.
Getting old.
We were going to finish the vlog, obviously there, but it started to
absolutely pour down, and it did become Glastonbury.
Yeah, it really did. We were like...
really, really swamped. Yeah,
we had to come home and get showers because as you can see we're changed. We're actually going back out for some dinner. So we thought we'd come home, we would get changed.
But even though it was raining...
Do you know what? It was great.
Yeah, we had some really funny moments.
Yeah, and the good thing there is you can take the cameras on so you guys can actually see.
Yeah.
But no, we had just as much fun. Like at the pleasure beach that day, it absolutely poured down.
Yeah.
It was really fun.
The weather never really stops us anyway, does it? Let's be honest. We always go out whether it comes rain, shine, thunderstorms. We always go out.
Yeah, and we knew the weather was going to be like that today anyways, but we were like, we're still going. For you, what was your highlight?
Even though I didn't want to go on them,
Oh my god.
and I went on them, as you've seen, because I'm not a fan of waltzers, as you've seen in other vlogs. The waltzers were really good.
They were really fun. We went on them
The first
twice.
time was really good. The second time was a little, because I think the guy who spins them went for a break or what have you. But the first time was really
yeah,
really
it was really good.
We got some G-force on them.
That was really fun. Do you know what? There's so many good rides. That's the biggest I've ever seen it there.
No, by far it's the best travelling fun fair we've had in Blackpool for a good few years.
Because obviously if you're not from Blackpool and you've never been to this one, it's not like when it comes to London or Manchester where there's
it's
like
always
20,
quite
30.
small.
It's always quite small, but as you've seen, the Wild Mouse is going to be hopefully ready.
Yeah, we did speak with some staff. They're still
Hopefully.
trying to get it all up and running. They did have a car testing today, but it stopped on the lift hill.
So they're hoping for it to be ready by next week, so we are planning to go
I think
back.
they're struggling with the weather really at the moment, as you've seen. You know,
The
it's all
flooding and-
bogged down and the floods and stuff. So yeah, the White Mouse, it's getting there. Pretty much all the track work is done, isn't it?
Yeah,
You know,
we
it's-
all the cars are on
yeah.
it, so we can see all
The only
that.
thing that looks like it's missing, if you know Blackpool and you've been on South here, is all the decoration, like the
like the
lighting,
sign's not
the
on it.
signs and stuff like that. So I think they'll get that done in the next few days. Definitely wear boots.
Even if it's a nice day.
Don't wear nice shoes. Really don't bother because it's really bogged down at the moment. Hopefully the
Don't
water
wear
will
anything
drain.
really light colours, like we wore black. Like I wore black shorts, you wore sort of like...
Expect to get muddy. That's what I'm going to say. There's plenty to do on there for children as well. I noticed it wasn't all adult rides, which is really good if you've got small ones.
And even the small kids.
Some of the small kids are like crazy. Like,
yeah, I would never went on half that stuff as a kid, and they were going like...
we've seen like...
One child went on the waltzers now, couldn't have been any bigger than 5 times.
Yeah.
Food options as well. You've got a hot chocolate stand, you have got a burger stand, and you have got a sweet stand as well that has like slushies and all that stuff as well. So, and toilets as well, just in case you're wondering.
Most painful ride. What's your most painful ride?
Dodgems.
Dodgems all the way. Honestly, the first hit, I felt every bone in my spine crunch.
You know what? I'm just so glad it's back. After this year that we've had, and we were sad when it did, because it normally comes, is it May?
Yeah, it's usually here in May.
Mate, I was just so glad when we saw that this was the first place it decided to come to. I was like, oh my god, I'm so excited. And when we did go the other day to have a walk along, I was like, oh my god, there is like so many rides here.
Yeah, so they are temperature checking when you enter.
Yeah.
They are asking people to bring masks. There is hand sanitizer on each attraction.
We did see them cleaning down all the rides as well.
Yeah, and they are doing clean down in between, obviously loading. So
It's really good.
yeah, they're on the ball and they know what they're doing. So it's here to the end of the month, the 31st. So that means you've got one more Wednesday left if you want to do the wristband option. The rest of the time it will be the token option. So if you want to know any information about the fun fair, you have to go to their Facebook, which is
Carousel Funfairs. And like I say, if it is bad weather like it was yesterday, they did actually cancel. So I'd probably say if you're a little bit further afield or whatever, just double
check before you get in the
check.
car.
If you think it is bad weather. I was quite surprised they were actually going to open today.
Yeah.
Just because of the weather. But they did, so we're really happy about that. But yeah, just double check their Facebook because they do post on there, like I say, every day. And like today they said like bring your wellies and all that today. So remember guys to like this video, please subscribe if you're new here and click on that notification bell. and that'll let you know when there is a new video out. I remember we've got our Instagram, gotta go Shane, and gotta go Emma, that's me. So,
TikTok.
gotta go
Orlando, guys.
Bye.